Invoice number V7680. Today's date is December 7th, 2022. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video. Proceeding down scan now. As you can see, at the very top, we do have a ton of third stage creosote. There is a cap installed. It does appear to be a little short to the flue. You do have more third stage creosote present. This flue is extremely filthy. Just a ton of third stage creosote so far. We do have a staggered mortar joint. Another open mortar joint. Do have a open mortar joint that appears to be a piece of cracked flue tile, and that is a stagger. Some more third stage creosote. Staggered mortar joint. I believe this is one of the offsets, but it does have exposed brick. Third stage creosote. Large stagger. Looks like flue tile is completely missing, unless that is a large stagger. Lots of cement sitting at the bottom of this flue. There is a gap at the beginning of the smoke chamber. Here's third stage creosote. There's a pretty large gap. We are now in the smoke chamber, which is completely unpudged. Exposed bricks, gaps, third stage creosote is present. This flue was extremely hard to get a rod up due to the offsets. There's an object in there, I'm not sure what that is. It does look like a couple of screws in the smoke chamber. We are approximately 30 feet tall in height. That concludes the video instruction for the living room fireplace. Defects are observed. Further recommendations to follow.